You know, sustainable fashion and upcycling is really important in our time. I think to be able to give new life to something and give new life to a piece of clothing and repurpose it in a way is very, very important. Hi everyone, I'm MP Cespedes and I'm from the Bay Area and have lived here pretty much my entire life. These shirts are a cool way to represent the Warriors and show my love for the team. Getting the collection of these shirts has been really special because every single one represents a playoff game that I was able to go to, you know, and being a fan for as long as I have, there was a time where that really wasn't the case. So to be able to go to a playoff game or a finals game at Oracle Arena, surrounded by all the fans who also love the team, has been really great and special and something that I'll never take for granted. I just love the work that Elle is doing with ELLERALI. I love the look of the fly dress and just seeing how versatile it is, and was even more excited to find out that it was reversible or you could turn it around. The great thing is that each one is so personal and it's also really stylish. Thank you, Elle, for the custom Warriors fly dress. I'm so excited to rock it at the new Chase Center where the Warriors will be playing next year. I know it's going to be a real special piece and something that I'll be able to keep with me forever.